Is Religare good for health insurance? Writing again because this review has been deleted from many web portal, FB, etc. My brother was getting abdomen pain and he was vomiting. He took OPD treatment 3 to 5 days. The pain continued and he started vomiting as well. Then he informed to Religare and asked for admission. They send a confirmation email for admission. After 3 to 5 days he hospitalized under doctor recommendation and we paid to the hospital. Then I raised a claim to the Religare. Let me list out the problem with this. 1. You have to send all the docs to the office, Delhi or nearby. Spend your more money. 2. They took to process more than 2 months after raising many grievance calls. 3. Worst customer services. 4. Finally, they reject the claim with the reason, all vitals and investigations are within normal limit, patient can be treated on OPD basis, hence admission not justified. 5. I tried on Twitter, rewritten the email with doctors later that penitent was needed hospitalization. Still, they reject. What we have done. 1. Took OPD treatment for 1 to 5 days. 2. Hospitalized for a few days. 3. As per doctor's suggestion, patient revisited to the doctors. 4. Then we have raised a claim. 5. They have asked for many documents and we have provided. 6. They have asked doctors hospitalize letter doctor have given. 7. Raised for higher management and funny things higher management is also handled by the same person. 8. Raised to multiple times to IRDA, internal companies people work on this. 9. Wasted 5 to 6 months on this then went to consumer court. Careful while taking the policy, it's not a matter of paying policy amount. Think about your tough situation. These people are doing blunders with the normal public. Beware of your closed one, those who sell fake companies insurance for 100-200 Indian rupees commissions. Even they are not sure about these conditions. If you have time 2 to 3 year and more than 50 plus K money to fight the case against these fake companies, then go for it. Religare is a fraud and bogus insurance company run by Aunj Gulati and Manish Dodeja. These and other members of this insurance scam mafia are people in the name of healthcare and travel insurance. Had Aunj Gulati been running this fraud in US, he would be behind the bars. I keep hearing about what Modi Gov has been doing against corruption and surprised that companies like Religare are allowed to run and scam people in open, stealing their hard-earned money. The company called Falk or Fake take calls on behalf of Religare as it has no physical customer support you can talk to, are a bunch of robots that most likely take calls from home and give you misleading information about your claim every time you call them. They will make you submit all the non-relevant documents every time you email or call them. This company should be blacklisted from all embassies that mandates insurance coverage during international travel. I hope this company is brought to Justice Department and the founders gets charged for committing fraud and serve jail time. Cashless facility is fake. I have claimed 3 times for cashless facility, including once for my father. Each and every time they denied on the ground that the same could be cured in OPD. However, I have received reimbursement in 2 cases. In my father's case, doctor has told us that Religare rejects cashless claims in most of the cases, Maharaja Agrasen Dwarka, New Delhi, and he himself witnessed more than 95% cases where Religare has rejected cashless claims. For rest 5% cases, there would have been serious emergency accidental cases, where they fail to explain that the same could be treated under OPD. Their claim settlement ratio is good on internet. The aforesaid case may be the reason where they accept reimbursement claims but reject under cashless facility. As cashless may put heavy burden of payments in comparison of reimbursement. In this age of ever-increasing medical expenses, health insurance provides an option for an individual to plan for these uncertain costs. By buying a health insurance plan, the individual can stay relaxed as the policy will ensure that his hard-earned savings are not drained in hospital bills and other medical expenses. There are many items that are not covered by such plans. Rather than treatment, one has to spend more on traveling, food, medicines, etc. They are termed as inadmissible goods. However, the amount of these items is not less and needs to be paid. So, to cover these extra expenses, Religare Health Insurance has introduced Pocket Cash that is available on the Elitmus website at a minimal premium with different plans. I have bought this Pocket Cash policy after doing a lot of research reading its benefits and found that it is the most reliable policy at the time of medical emergencies.